సర్వర్ కనెక్ట్ అవుతున్నాను. Where Docker host. I already installed in Docker in this machine. Docker images. So here we have three types of volumes. One is simple volume. Second one, shareable volume. Third one, container volume. Volume is nothing but in the Docker host, you, you have to create one folder. So that name you can give any name. So that location you need to mount specific container. So how will means see look like this. Docker run Docker run hyphen name. So web hyphen p hyphen p 80 This is the port mapping. Hyphen v for volume attachment. Volume is a Carvella. ls. So this is a Carvella cd. We have our customized assets in this folder. So you need to mount this Carvella for directory to Nginx vault path doc hyphen v Carvella colon /usr share /nginx /html. So this is the default location for Nginx. So provide Nginx container Nginx image name. So already same name used another container. That's why we'll face this kind of error. See, conflict. The container name slash web is already used by container. That container ID, this one. So you need to use different name. So provide web server. Successfully created Docker PS. If you want to see list of processes, this is the container port 80 and host port also 80. So you can access this port from here. So copy public IP, go to web server and 80. So it is only showing default Nginx base. So our files not sent to this particular location. That's why it is showing index default index.html. So what is the root cause you need to find? You need to provide like text. Nginx HTML. This location is okay. Or try to change 81 port number. So web 2. Create one more container. So container is created. Find list of processes. That's why I'm mentioning PS. So this port number is 81 now. We need to access web 2 container. Go on this 81. So some issue came. Forbidden. Mm. This is the error. Try to switch Nginx container. Clear. Docker. etc -it web slash usr slash date slash nginx slash html. Now we are in default path of the nginx server. So there is no files. So volume attachment is not set properly. So you need to work on troubleshoot. See here ls means list. So nothing, no file is there. After creating container, come out of this control P, control Q. Came out of the container without exiting. Clear. So here car cd Comment location. Now, not latch create 82 web server 2 container created ps. Yeah, so it or like this. You need to troubleshoot if not setting any path properly. It's kind of troubleshooting activities until your site get into ac- accessing to the users. This is simple volume and see here this is the one directional way. I have Carvella folder in only I'm mounting to container. So this is nothing but a simple volume. So shareable volume means create, delete all once, Docker rm -f web web to web server and web server. So all once contain Docker ps hyphen -a. So container created controls that one. So clear that one also. Docker rm c1. So did. Now check ps hyphen -a. Nothing. Clear. Now working on shareable volumes. 0. This is a web server 1. Okay. ps hyphen -a up and running 8 seconds ago. Try to access from 80 port. Yes. Now up and running. So shareable volume means no need to mount any data other container. So just mention hyphen volumes from. There is a instruction automatically that volume going to be mount to share to other container. Docker run hyphen name web server web server 2 hyphen d hyphen p 8081 colon 80 hyphen volumes from hyphen volumes hyphen from provide web server 1 and Nginx image name is common. Volumes, no such a, so here web server, it is saying that no such a container now created. Check PS. Now two container. I'm not providing any instruction like -v, not mounting any this volume. So check now. So whatever volume you set it to service one. Service one means container one. So that volume refer to second container. So that is about shareable volume. So previous container volume only, this is this container using. This is nothing but shareable volume. You can use one more run command. Docker run hyphen name web server 3 -d -p 82:80 provide hyphen volume from volumes hyphen from. So remember the syntax as it is. Share this Nginx name web server 2 web server 2. So I'm using third container, second container volume. So Nginx is common. Successfully created. Yes. Next, try to access from 82. So this one also working. See, first one is 80. Second one is 82. Second one is 81. Third one is 82. So whatever volumes you set to first container, that container volume need to share across all multiple containers. Is nothing but shareable volumes. So next one, volume. So we'll check this volume. First create or delete all the containers. Or -f web server 1, web server 2, and web server 3. All containers are deleted. Even though container are deleted, our data remaining safe. That is nothing but volume. So once need to run one. So this is the container, right? So web server, Docker inspect, web server 1. So go and check volume section. You need to copy volume path. Mount mount path, where it is located. Find mm, NV. Volume. USR share Nginx pin. These are the environment variables. Yeah, mounts source. This is the location for the copy. Source is the mount section. The source. This is the volume section. You need to copy once, and even container deleted. Docker rm -f web server 1. So container deleted. CD paste that location ls. Our data remaining safe. So like that, you need to maintain our confidential data. So next, CD clear. So now we'll working on. Now I'm going to working on container volumes. Container volumes means bidirectional way. So by using Docker command itself, we can create customized volumes. That volume attached to container. So first create one volume. Docker volume ls. So these are the volume. These are all our system generated volumes. So we don't have any customized volumes. See, Corvella only one volume. This is one volume. You can create one more volume like app service. Docker create volume Docker volume. Create Provide volume name. Volume name is app service. Now one volume created. Check Docker volume ls. So this is app service is a one volume for our application. Docker inspect. Docker volume inspect. Give volume name app service. So this is the mount path. Clearly you need to understand. This is a very important and it is a bidirectional way. CD. So we don't have this volume permission as a Ubuntu user. So you need to switch to root user. Sudo su hyphen cd. Now we run slash data. So go back to cd. Here give one command like this. Move copy copy slash home Ubuntu Carvilla and paste this location. So here whatever application data available in Carvilla section, all files copy into this volume location. Check once. CP mean copy. Just CP. So use hyphen R, it is saying. Now just look at volume mount section is in this location. Data copied or not. CD ls. Now Carvilla is there, right? So go back to root section and copy. Again do this command slash means only that files assets only move to this location. So done. CD so this Carvella is there. Mm. So copy CP means copy and slash Carvilla location to current working directory. Use -r. This is a recursive. Means we have multiple folders, folder by folder. So parent directory is also right. That's why we need to provide -r. That's it. Check ls. Hmm. Okay, no issue. Go back to cd and exit from root user and execute Docker commands. So here provide volume name app service. '81 web server 2. So volume created. Check once Docker PS. So container is up and running. So try to access. '81. So our application is up and running. So you can change in the mount path itself. Switch to Docker container web server 2. Web server 2 is a container name. So Docker exec hyphen it web server 2 bash cd /usr slash nginx share slash nginx slash html ls. So here Carvella is there. Need to switch Carvella. So ls. This is the assets of our Carvella. So replace this index.html to our custom data. Echo colon come. So this is the redirect operation. Next command redirect operator. So give index.html file index.html. Check once what is the output right now. Error is only it is showing, but after execution it will pop up welcome Carvella. That is our goal. So try to create one more container first. So here ls cat index.html html. So welcome Carvella. So mount this volume to another container. Control P, Control Q. Clear screen. Create one more container. What three? Container is created and PS. Two containers up and running. 82. Now check once. 82. So our data remaining safe, even though some customization I have done. Go to mount path once. Mount path. CD. This is the mount path and use as a root user. Sudo su hyphen cd mount path. Where in location check call